a direct disciple of Paramahansa Yogananda and founder of Ananda Community Ashram, has this to say about his visit to Sai Baba.
Many people have asked me to give my impressions of Satya Sai Baba. On the subject of Sai Baba, India seems fairly evenly divided. Some say his miracles are a purely divine work. Others claim they are ego-motivated. But he does many things besides materialize objects, and some of his miracles, at least, would not be possible if they were rooted in ego. He has changed countless lives for the better. He has saved innumerable people from tragedy, oftentimes when they prayed to him mentally from a distance of hundreds of miles. Baba's teachings are all of divine love, service, humility, and surrender to God's will. With every materialization to which I was a witness, I could observe no desire on Baba's part to impress others. My impression rather was that his entire thought was centered on giving to them and not on receiving anything in return. In fact, I'm told he won't accept anything even if it's offered to him. Close disciples of his have told me Baba considers his materializations quite insignificant, almost as if to say, look how easily material objects can be brought into manifestation. Why consider it worth your while to run after them? He stresses renunciation and non-attachment. My meeting with Sri Satya Sai Baba was a great inspiration to me.